Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Canva subscription before your trial period ends. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. Just log in with your Canva app, and here at your left side bottom you can see this icon. Just select this, click on it. Now we need to go in this gear icon settings. Okay, so here we need to go in this billing options. Okay, go to the billing options, and here you can see your Canva plan. Okay, my plan is a paid plan. If you have trial plan, then you can see here that is a trial plan, and here you can see subscription for trial plan, and here you can see the date when this trial plan will be that in. Okay, so if you want to cancel, you need to go just see the three dot options which is available on your page, and here you can see the option called cancel subscription or cancel account. Then just select that, click that, then your cancellation will be proceed. Okay, so that is the process. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.